Hey guys, I'm Riz. I'm one of the new car consultants here at ZenAuto.
Hi, and I'm Angela, the renewal specialist.
So we get a lot of customers asking what a factory order is.
A lot.
And how long is it going to be before the car turns up. So today we're both going to tell you a bit more as to why our customers choose factory orders.
When you lease a car with us, you can order an in-stock car or a fully customizable car, aka a factory order. The order process works the same for both cars. You choose the terms, fill out the credit application, sign the agreement, and you wait for your new car day. So there are just two differences between an in-stock car and a factory order car. Number one, the spec of the car, and number two, when you'll get it.
All our cars are ordered from a factory, but a factory order is a car that's tailor-made just for you. So you can choose anything from the alloys to the interior trim, even the exterior colour. You will have to wait a little longer for a factory order as the car is designed specifically for you. So once you've chosen the car and spec, we will then find out how long it will be before it arrives.
But good things come to those who wait, right? Plus, it gives you more time to sort out your current car while you wait for your new one.
That's a good shout, Ange. Plus you got access to all the latest models and the new reg plate too.
Our stock cars are already built, which means they cannot be customized and normally takes a stock car 4 to 6 weeks to get delivered, which means it gives us time to process your order and arrange your delivery date.
So it really depends on what you want, whether you want the car as soon as possible or you want to customise your dream car. If you need a hand with anything, give us a call or drop us an email at cars@zen.auto.
We hope we've answered your questions. If you have any more, just give us a shout. See you soon.
See ya.